Hi, welcome to the DDC YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how you can replacement the battery in your car. I will do it in my Ford 150 2030 5.0 liter Coyote engine. At the end of the movie, we will see how we can reset the battery code by scan program. So, thanks for watching. Tools what we needed: 8mm socket and range, OBD2 diagnostic interface, computer, rubber gloves. If you don't have the 8mm socket, you can use 5/16. It's almost the same size. Before we will start, we have to turn off the car and open the hood car. It's over here. Just click. What we do now? Now we have to locate the battery. It's over here. First, what we're gonna do is lose the nut. I take the red cover for secure and start. Okay, here, over there. Okay, we start. Black one, take off. And red one. We got it. Next, we have to lose this one. Okay, take off. Good. Try to take off the battery. Good solution is clean that place. We should hold the battery back to store. We got to know something about the battery. When we gonna buy a battery, you have to remember that positive should be on the left side, because we will have problem with correct positioning about the battery in your car. The electric cables will be too short. I think that's the problem is maybe in the Europe or in Poland, but remember, positive on the left side. We got the new battery. We start connect positive. Eight millimeter. Okay, got it. Cover. Got it. Black one. Negative. Got it. This one. Over here. Okay. Close the filter. OBD2 diagnostic And we're looking for this one over here. Just like that. And is OBD to program connected. We're looking for scan. We found it. Connect to vehicle. Yes. I know that. Program found our car, Ford 150. Yes. All right. Ready. We should go to service functions and looking for battery monitoring system reset. Run service procedures. Yes, battery replace. Off. Ignition. All right. On. Ignition. But don't start the engine. Service procedure completed successfully. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please press subscribe button, OK button, and don't forget, write a comment if you want to more video like this.